been talking about it all morning. The winter storm that is here now has just made travel so tricky now.
Yeah, kind of slow going out there.
Absolutely, to say the least. It's not, it's 1 to 3 inches.
Yeah.
Most of the reports, I think I saw 4 inches in Ticonderoga from a friend who just texted me there, but it's not a significant amount. It's not anything we're not used to. The problem here is that it's just right before and in the middle of that morning drive. Just something to have in mind. And the other part is that this is just the start. We've got a whole lot more headed our way out of the same system between tonight and all the way through tomorrow as well. So brace yourselves. Again, this is just the beginning. You can see some of that snow has lightened up just a little bit to the north, but there are still some pockets of the heavy snow really cranking right now, right along the southern portions of Severn, Shaftesbury, Bennington in the middle of that, Wallingford as well. Windham up towards Wethersfield with some of that really heavy snow adding up quickly in some of those spots. This is the view, in fact, in Brattleboro, and as you can see, snow covering the roads there, and they are not alone. So not only that, but the visibility is a problem. A lot of things to have in mind for that morning drive. 19 now in Plattsburgh, 20 degrees in Burlington, 25 Rutland, 16 in Saranac Lake. We will warm back up to close to and even above average by about midday. We're looking at about 30 degrees in the Champlain Valley, which is where we'll stay through the afternoon, with mainly snow through most of the day there. But to the south, as warmer air starts to infiltrate as the system lifts north, you're going to find that pink, and that's that wintry mix we're talking about, most likely in the form of some sleet or even freezing rain. This is around noontime. Watch as that lifts north throughout the rest of the day. I think we will find showers becoming a lot more spotty and lighter, so that is the good news for this afternoon and evening. However, it does not mean that we're done. Watch overnight and especially through tomorrow morning. These showers fill right back out as the system continues to pass. So tomorrow morning, depending on exactly where that line is, count on to the north there being that persistent snow, and just to the south, maybe even right through the Champlain Valley, you're going to find that mix that could include the freezing rain and rain. Then as the day goes on, slowly you're going to find that mix turning back to some snow, and things get a little hairy as that snow really starts to crank in the second part of the day on Friday, and it will also get windy. So visibility, maybe even whiteout conditions could be a problem. Then we drive quickly up Friday night and into Saturday as that storm exits. Snow totals for today, nice widespread, 1 to 3 inches. Some of you may have already seen that a little bit more to the north where that snow will be steadier. Tomorrow as the system passes, and again, a lot of this accumulation happening early and mid-afternoon tomorrow, 12 or more inches where you see the light pink, up to 12 where you see the purple, and less to the south where they are going to have a little bit more of that ice and rain mixing in. The yellows, the reds that you see here are that dangerous whiteout conditions that I was mentioning. And look at the timing here, early to mid-afternoon, where you see that really dangerous weather over the Champlain Valley and potentially through that evening drive. So tomorrow, again, an alert day. That's that red, and that's because of that potential for some of those nasty conditions through the afternoon. There's your dry up through the weekend, but it does get a lot colder behind this storm.